from the industry perspective, from the academic perspective, your honors degree is going to give you immense benefits. Sir, the last question which generally, the students of graduating year, they are often confused, should I take a job or should I go for higher studies? If they go for a job, what ideally as per you is the minimum period? Because I have often seen students after 1 year, maybe 8 months, burning out and then thinking that it would have been better if I would have gone for some entrance exam preparation. So if I decide to take a job after my BCom or maybe BCom honors capital markets, what is the minimum tenure I must stick to before jumping into master's degree?
Yes, I think Vikram, if you look at the global environment and also, as a practicing academic for the last 35, 36 years, I have seen that students must practice what they have been taught in UG programs. Because that gives a perspective, because master's program is a very specialized program. For example, if I want to pursue my master's in investment banking, so what I will do after my BCom program, I will join investment bank at a junior role and I will see all aspects of investment banking in that role in that bank. Maybe I will change the bank, I can have 2, 3, 4 years of experience. And after completing that practice, if I pursue my MSc in investment banking, that will give me a whole new perspective, the entire rich experience in the class. And let me tell you, professors enjoy the most when they deal with such students, because academics by and large in finance domain is all practiced in the industry. So what we teach in accounting, what we teach in finance is actually what you practice in the industry. So once you have practiced it, you understand the lot of sides, plus and minus, off and on sides of the domain and the subject. So ideally, I will suggest every student that don't be in a hurry. You finish your UG, do your 2-3 years of job, and then jump into PG. But yes, if you feel like I want to pursue my PG for 1 year after my honors program, because after my jobs, I might be complacent, or I might not crack MSc program or GMAT or GRE. I mean, that could be one reason. But otherwise, if you feel like energetic, no complacency, work for 3 years and then jump for MBA program or MSc program.
Friends, this message is especially for all the parents, because I have often seen parents and final year students getting confused what should be the ideal tenure if I take up a job. So one thing is absolutely clear, for masters you need to have good knowledge from the corporate world, and therefore if you are thinking that I have to take the road for the corporate job after my graduation, work for at least 3 years. Nothing less than 3 years is going to give you the benefits. I think we covered all the important aspects, and having Dr. Pandey was our biggest pleasure, because no better than him with 35 plus years of experience in an industry and also academia can bring us all these insights which we got today. I thank you, sir, for your valuable time you have given to us. And friends, I believe if in case any one of you or parents you want to connect with Dr. Pandey, he is very much available on LinkedIn. You can search for his profile, and I think any further queries if you have, he is the right person to guide you further. Keep watching and subscribe to the official channel of LinkedIn on Jindal School of Banking and Finance and at OP Jindal Global University. With this, we summarize our session, and I look forward to welcoming you in the new episode very soon. Thank you.